So guys, is it clear to you? Hello. Please write in the chat box. Is it clear to you? Mamta. Okay. Now come to nth order derivative test. Nth order derivative test for local extremum. Extremum means maximum or minimum. Nth order derivative test, or you may say higher order derivative test for local extremum, right? Let y is equal to f of x be the given function. Similar procedure we have to follow. First of all, we have to differentiate with respect to x, dy upon dx. This is our step 1. Step 2, equate dy upon dx. Equate dy upon dx is equal to 0 and find the solution. Let x is equal to alpha be a solution to the above equation. All right. Let x is equal to alpha be a solution to the above equation. So x is equal to alpha is called critical point. Then step 3. Find this is dy upon dx means f dash x. Okay. Find f double dash alpha, f triple dash alpha. This means this is not power, this is the order of the derivative. And so on till a non-zero value is obtained. Government class. Punya madam कहते Punya. Okay. Find f double dash alpha, f triple dash alpha. That means second order derivative at x is equal to alpha. Third order derivative at x is equal to alpha. Fourth order derivative at x is equal to alpha, and so on till a non-zero value is obtained. Till a non-zero value is obtained. Right? If the first non-zero value is obtained at nth order derivative, if the first non-zero value is obtained at nth order derivative, that is Fn alpha is equal to 0, then check whether n is even or odd. Then check whether even N is even or odd. So guys, quickly note it down so that I will use the next page. I will move forward to the next page. Should I move forward? Okay. Sorry. If n is even, sorry, if n is odd, then x is equal to alpha is neither point of local max nor point of local mean. Nor point of local minimum. Then x is equal to alpha is neither point of local maximum nor point of local minimum. If n is even, if fn alpha is greater than 0, non-zero value means it is greater than 0, then x is equal to alpha is the point of local minimum. If fn alpha, fn means nth order derivative of f, is less than 0, then x is equal to alpha is the point of local maximum. Okay. Then x is equal to alpha is the point of local maximum. So that is y is equal to f of x is the given function. X is equal to alpha dy upon dx is equal to 0. On solving this equation, we got the value x is equal to alpha, which is known as the critical point. Okay. So f dash alpha is equal to 0. Then we have to find the second order derivative. If the second order derivative at x is equal to alpha is 0, then we have to find the third order derivative. If third order derivative at x is equal to alpha is 0, then we have to find out fourth order derivative and so on. Till if a non-zero value is obtained. Suppose f3 alpha is not equal to 0. If f3 alpha is not equal to 0, then we can say that x is equal to alpha is neither point of local maximum nor point of local minimum. If second order derivative at f2 alpha is equal to 0, then we have to x is equal to alpha is a point of local maximum or a point of local minimum. That depends upon the value of f2 alpha. If f2 alpha is greater than 0, then x is equal to alpha point of local minimum. If f2 no, f double dash. If f double dash alpha is less than 0, then x is equal to alpha is the point of local maximum. Got it? Did you understand, guys? Please write in the chat box. Is it clear to you? नासरीन बहुत दिन पर आज कौन क्लास आसछ कहीं क्लास अटेंड करनतला एटा बुझियला कि नै को जणा एटी गोटे ओके यहाँ पर किसी प्रॉब्लम क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करवा find the points of yes previous page you are asking about previous page Sumit quickly note it down next hello Sumit okay find the points of local max or local mean of the function f of x equals sin x plus cos x in the interval 0 to pi. Okay, in the interval 0 to pi. So come to the solution. So y is equal to f of x equals sin x plus cos x. First of all, we have to find out the critical points of the function. For that, we have to differentiate the function with respect to x. So dy upon dx equals cos x minus sin x. For critical point, we have to equate the first order derivative of the function to 0. So dy upon dx equals to 0. This implies cos x minus sin x equals to 0. This implies sin x is equal to cos x implies tan x is equal to 1. You know, if tan x is equal to 1, then x is equal to pi by 4. X is equal to pi by 4 or x is equal to 5 pi by 4. You know, tan is positive in first quadrant and third quadrant. So 5 pi by 4 doesn't belong to 5 pi by 4 doesn't belong to the interval 0 to pi. 5 pi by 4 is greater than pi. So the only critical point is x is equal to pi by 4. Now we have to check whether x is equal to pi by 4 is point of local maximum or local minimum. Then we have to find the higher order derivatives. So dy upon dx is equal to dy upon dx equal to cos x minus sin x. This implies d square y upon dx square. Again, differentiating the function with respect to x. D square y upon dx square, which is equal to d upon dx of dy upon dx equals to d upon dx of cos x minus sin x. You know, derivative of cos x is minus sin x. minus derivative of sin x is cos x. So d square y upon dx square is minus of d square y upon dx square upon dx square equals minus of sin x plus cos x. Now calculate the value of the second order derivative at x is equal to pi by 4 because x is equal to pi by 4 is the critical point. So d square y upon dx square at x is equal to pi over 4 equals minus of sin pi over 4 plus cos pi over 4. This is equal to minus of sin 45 degree 1 over root 2 plus cos 45 1 over root 2. This is equal to minus of 2 over root 2. This is equal to minus root 2. A non-zero value is obtained at the even order derivative. So x is equal to pi by 4 is a point of local maximum because the second order derivative d square y upon dx square, I'm writing here separately, d square y upon dx square at x is equal to pi by 4 is less than 0, implies x is equal to pi by 4 is the point of local max. X is equal to pi by 4 is the point of local maximum. बुझिएला बुझी पारलो कि नहीं चैट बॉक्स रे लिखो यस ओके नोट कर दियो नेक्स्ट पेज बा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फाइंड द पॉइंट्स ऑफ local extremum. Find the points of local extremum of the function. Find the points of local extremum of the function f of x equals x cube minus 3x. Okay. What is your first step? The first step is to differentiate the function with respect to x. Y is equal to f of x equals x cube minus 3x. This implies dy upon dx equals 3x square minus 3. So critical point, for critical point, equate dy upon dx to 0. Dy upon dx is equal to 0. Implies 3x square minus 3 equal to 0. This implies x square minus 1 is equal to 0, which implies x is equal to 1 or x is equal to minus 1. So two critical points are there, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 1. Now we have to find the higher order derivatives. So d square y upon dx square that d upon dx of any problem. Sir, -1 कहाँ से आया? अच्छा, x square minus 1 is equal to 0. Now factorize x square minus 1. That will be a square minus b square, a plus 1, a plus b into a minus b. X plus 1 into x minus 1 equals to 0, implies x is equal to 1 or x is equal to -1. Nasrin, did you understand now? Hello? Okay, what is your first order derivative? 3x square minus 3. So this is equal to d upon dx of 3x square minus 3, which is equal to 6x. Now substitute the value, critical values in the second order derivative. So d square y upon dx square at x is equal to 1 equal to 6 into 1 is equal to 6, that is greater than 0. So x is equal to 1. This implies x is equal to 1 is the point of local minimum then d square y upon dx square at x is equal to -1 equal to 6 into -1, that is -6, which is less than 0. So x is equal to -1 is the point of local maximum. Okay. I hope it is clear to you. Write in the chat box. Every maximum in matter is a previous year question kariya JEE mains ro. Write the question. JEE main 2025 7th April shift 2. Let F mapping from R to R. F is a function from set of real number to set of real number. That means domain is the set of real number and codomain is the set of real number. Be a polynomial function. Be a polynomial function of degree 4 having extreme values having extreme values at x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 5, if limit extending towards 0, f of x upon x square is equal to 5 and f of 2. This is the question. Okay, guys? तो निजे निजे ट्राई करो 2 मिनट, नहले मु सॉल्व करबी।